Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Some veterinarians say that spaying and neutering too early will deprive your dog of the sex hormones necessary for their maturation. These hormones are responsible for skeletal growth. If the procedure occurs too early, it may take much longer for your dog's growth plates to close. 12 November 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
6 months. Dogs, according to the AHA Canine Life Stage Guidelines, small breed dogs under 45 pounds projected adult body weight should be neutered at 6 months of age or spayed prior to the first heat, 5 to 6 months.
Take our lead.
Spaying, a spay procedure should be done at 4 to 5 months old. This is before your dog's first heat cycle, which typically falls around 6 months. This helps decrease the risk of serious health issues, such as mammary cancer. Neutering, a male dog should typically be neutered during the same 4 to 5 month period. 6 November 2019.
Take our lead.
Most dog daycares and boarding facilities require dogs to be spayed or neutered by 6 months old. 6 months is about when dogs reach sexual maturity. If you want your dog to have socialization and exercise during adolescence, spaying or neutering around 6 months makes sense. 4 May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Generally, it is safe to spay or neuter most kittens and puppies at 8 weeks of age. However, be sure to check with your veterinarian and have your pet evaluated before scheduling spay or neuter surgery. 25 August 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.